And welcome everyone, thanks for tuning in to Home Robotics once again. In this episode I'll be showing you how I made this static display of the Saturn V. Hope you enjoy! So from here I started off with a toy model. Then I prepared an aluminium stem with cardboard rings around it. These cardboard rings got progressively bigger as it got further away. And they also were used to carry the LEDs to produce the characteristic smoke plume which slowly diverged from the rocket. So from here I decided to glue the metal stem to the center engine, thereby producing a strong foundation. I then used cotton wool and wrapped that around the LED strips and glued them one by one onto the engines. And then from there I carried on filling up the other engines as well with LED strips. So 4 in total, as you can see there. I then used PVA glue along the lines of the LED strips and then progressively filled it up with more cotton wool. It doesn't look too bad. From here I'll shorten the actual stem and I'll start building the base. Once I've shortened the stem, I glued it onto a base made out of 5-ply. Then I used 4 rubber stoppers under it to create a base to stop it from slipping, and then I just painted the rest of the cotton balls just to make it look like a flame. I sprayed the entire cotton wool arrangement with clear coat acrylic. That way it can't be removed or ripped out by accident if you do touch it. I connected all 4 LED strips in parallel to a 5-volt power supply, and here are the results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.